Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado door panel. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and needle nose pliers. Additionally, a 10mm socket with a ratchet and an extension will be necessary. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth process and help you avoid damaging any delicate parts of your truck's interior. Let's get started. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the hidden fasteners. Use your trim tool to gently pry off the small panel located behind the interior door handle. Next, remove the trim piece from the door pull handle. Beneath these, you will find three 10mm bolts. Remove them with your socket and ratchet. Also, inspect the bottom edge of the door panel for any additional 7mm screws that need to be taken out. With the bolts removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical components and cables. Carefully pry up the power window switch panel to reveal the wiring harnesses underneath. Press the small release tabs on each connector and gently pull them to disconnect. Next, locate the door handle cable. Using your needle nose pliers, squeeze the two tabs on the cable's clip, then slide the cable out of its bracket. Finally, detach the ball end from the handle mechanism. You're almost there. Now, with all fasteners and connections removed, you can proceed to detach the main door panel. Starting from a lower corner, use your trim tool or hands to pull the panel sharply away from the door frame. This will release the plastic retaining clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter until all clips are free. Then, lift the entire door panel straight up and off the door lock rod. Remember to align all clips and reattach the door handle cable correctly during reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.